Hello everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is InRupee. So guys, first of all you can download this app. So I add download link in video description, then you can download now, then you can install now, and next we discuss how to register account. So guys, first of all you can enter your email, then you can enter your minimum 8-digit password, then you can enter your verification code, then you can enter your invitation code, then you can click here I have read and agree to the information for users, then you can click the next option, then you can register now. So I register account. So guys, you can see this my account register. If you have already account, then you can log in now. You can enter your email, then you can enter your password, then you can log in now. So guys, you can check here app interface in Rupee. Guys, this is amazing valid app. You can check here. So first of all, you can see this transfer detail. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can enter your receiving address, then you can enter your transfer amount, then you can select currency now, then you can click here confirm password, then you can transfer now, and next guy you can check here receive. So guys, you can click here, then you can enter your receiving address, you can check here, you can copy now, then you can receive your payment. You can receive payment through this QR code. You can scan now and receive payment. And next we discuss how to exchange. So guys, you can click here and see this. So if for example I convert USD to INR, then you can I enter your USD amount. For example, I enter USD amount 100, then you can receive INR. You can see this amount, so you can click here confirm exchange, then you can exchange now. And next guy, you can start trading now. You can click here and see this trade page is open, so you can buy and sell through this app in Rupee. If you buy now, then you can click here, then you can buy now, and if you sell, then you can click here and you can see this page, so you can enter your in quantity amount. So guys, first of all you can buy bank account, then you can enter your quantity, then you can enter purchase restriction minimum number, then you can select payment method here, then you can check here expiration date, then you can sell now. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can check here, you can see this, you can add any currency in this app in Rupee. You can see USD, BNB, you can check here, and that guy you can check here and see this members detail. So guys, page is open, member details. So first of all you can recharge amount, you can recharge amount in USD, then you can check here level member 0 redeem 0 USD to INR to be upgraded to a 0-star member and earn a 0.1% dividend. So guys, first of all you can register account, then you can receive 177 in reward for rewards. And like guys, you can check here one redeem 1000 USD to INR to be upgraded to a 1-star member and earn a 0.2% dividend. So guys, if you update now, then you can click here, then you can update level 1. You can check here level member 2 redeem 3000 USD to INR to be upgrade to a 2-star member and earn a 0.3% dividend. You can click here, then you can update now redeem level member 3 redeem 5000 USD to INR to be upgraded to a 3-star member and earn a 0.4% dividend. You can click here, then you can update now. And now we can see this earning explanation based on a 1 million sale order performance. You can see this earning explanation. Earning model 1 A3 4%, C 1%. You can check here note, you can check here A3 can earn, you can see the C1 can earn 1% 2000, C1 C2 can earn 1% 2000. Next you can check here model 2 A2 3%, A1 2%, C 1%. You can check here, you can see this A2 can earn amount. You can check here A1 can earn 2% 4000, C1 can earn 1% 2000. Next guy, you can check here model 3. Model 3 based on a 1 million sale order performance, A3 4%, C 1%. You can see this node A3 can earn amount, A3 can earn 4% 8000, C1 can earn 1% 2000. You can see this all detail. guys, you can see this is payment account. You can add payment account. You can see this KYC certified. You can see this payment address. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.